So ApeCoin has pumped over 100% in the past few days. Now, the entire crypto market is tumbling as we predicted in the previous Bitcoin video, but we're going to talk about ApeCoin today. Now, let's start off with why ApeCoin is pumping. Well, the main reason is because of the new launch of Ape Chain, and this essentially adds more utility to the coin Ape, as it is a meme coin. It has little to no utility apart from the NFT and just transacting in Ape, but overall this adds a bit of utility behind it and adds utility to the Yugo Labs ecosystem. Now, obviously the move is slightly an over exaggeration on what this means for Ape. This doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to, fly back to all-time highs that we saw in peak time of the NFT craze when we hit nearly $30 on Ape, and we're back down to $1.50 now. So that time is long gone. The NFT craze was an insane period of time where a lot of people made money and a lot of people lost money, but we have to analyze Ape to where it's at right now. And where it's at right now is genuinely, it dumped quite heavily compared to all the other meme coins, even though a lot of meme coins are dumping today quite hard apart from Doge, but that's simply just due to the market reacting to the new weekly candle. And if we take a deeper look into ApeCoin, we can actually start to draw on some resistance and support areas and obviously see where we can go from there. So I've just drawn on a few levels and I'm going to go through them in detail. Now, this red zone right here, it's really close to the 0.618 level on the Fibonacci, which the 0.618 to the 0.786 area is usually where we will see the most retracements and the most reversals. So whether that's from an uptrend into a downtrend or from a downtrend into an uptrend. Now, ApeCoin has approached that level, but it didn't wick into it. It instead wicked into 0.5 to 0.618 and this main resistance that we had previously in the red zone. And obviously since it has started to slightly tumble now, this tumble is just from the wicks, which shows me that there is obviously a lot of selling power happening at these highs simply because of how drastic this move was up. It's more than healthy for people to start taking profits now, because imagine, you bought in ApeCoin at 50 cents just a few days ago, or I should say a few weeks ago, and now fast forward those few weeks, you're up 3x. So it's a very unexpected move, I think, for a lot of people, and for a meme coin that was practically dead, it's fantastic. So overall, we're getting selling pressure from this upside section here. Now, this black box is sort of our no man's land because we had a lot of resistance here previously, as you can see on the left, and judging by how big this candle was on the daily, we actually got very little resistance. We obviously had a very small candle try to resist this area, but it just failed and continued to pump right up through. Now, this shows me that this could be used as a new support level now for when we come down, because it's inevitable, we will come down. This isn't going to be a move that just carries on to the upside. This right here looks like it's slowing down and looks like it's going to start to come down now. So this is the first area I'm going to watch for it to come down to, but it's not the area I'm going to be getting any sort of buy orders in, simply because it's going to be the first time we're testing this area ever since June of this year, and that's a very long time, and I don't know how the news and the price action is going to react after such a long time of not being at this area and after such a long time of this coin not seeing any sort of hype. So that's what we're going to be waiting for, and this green area is a potential area where I'd be looking to buy now. Obviously this area just beneath is much stronger, however this area is slightly higher and it also just matches up with the 0.236 Fibonacci area. So this area right here is where I'd look to find some sort of buy if it's possible and if it's feasible here. Feasible for me, meaning if no other altcoin looks, attractive enough to buy, meaning it's not low enough and it's not a key area that I want to be buying at. Some of these altcoins are, Render, Dot, AVAX, Fetch, API3, Jupiter, Solana, Ethereum, even Bitcoin. And if those coins aren't at those levels and Ape is, then I'd definitely be looking for opportunities on Ape. And that being said, I'm not going to be looking to buy Ape for the long term. I'm definitely just looking for a really short-term trade. I'm gonna go, if I do choose to go with derivatives, then I'm gonna do very low leverage, because these moves are quite unpredictable when they happen and you don't want to be caught on the wrong side of it. So overall, I'm gonna be waiting to see how we react to this level. If there is a feasible reaction, then I will definitely alert it in the Discord, which you can check out down below. We're sending trades out there every single day and they're absolutely crushing the market, so make sure to check that out in the description. And yeah, I mean, apart from that, we're going to be waiting to see how we react. Obviously the entire crypto market now is seeing a slight tumble, so it's inevitable for Ape to also start to see a slight tumble. This is simply just a weekly reaction of a new weekly candle because the previous one was so large and it was a huge buy candle, so this is just a slight sell-off that we're seeing right now in the market. Same with the S&P, same with the Nasdaq, and same with the DJI. Now if you do want to be getting trades every single day, as I mentioned, check out the Discord down below. If you need a place to buy, sell, or trade crypto, check out all of the exchanges we're working with down below. Also, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye guys.